Here's how I go from a raw 3D print to something like this.
First I use a mouse sander to go over the raw plastic with 60 to 80 grit sandpaper, then I quickly go over it by hand with 150 grit, making sure not to sand it so hard I melt the plastic. Then I brush it off and spray on a pretty thick layer of filler primer. Once that is dry, I'll look at the part and see if there are any ridges or gaps that need to be filled in. And I'll use spot putty. I'll just put some on my finger and wipe it across any of the ridges or the gaps along the part. Spot putty dries pretty quick, so then you can take your electric sander or just hand sand it at 400 grit, pretty much until it's smooth. I dust it off really quick and then give it another coat of filler primer. And you basically just complete that process until it's as smooth as you want it to be. From there, I sand down the filler primer with 400 all the way down to 800 grit, just until it's smooth, and then you can give it a coat of paint.